Welcome back to Startup Street. Foodtech platform Ghost Kitchens India has raised $5 million in Series A funding, a mix of equity and debt. The round was led by GVFL Limited with participation from NB Ventures, Let's Venture and Lead Angels. Existing investors, Huge Ventures, Dholakia Ventures and actor Rana Daggubati also participated in this round. To talk to us about the road ahead, joining me now is its founder and CEO, Karan Tanna. Karan, welcome to Startup Street. Now, Ghost Kitchens India operates through 15-plus company-owned and operated cloud kitchens in Mumbai and Ahmedabad and 1,200 internet restaurants across 40 cities in India. So first, take us through the model, the pain point that you're solving.
Thank you for having me here, and very excited to talk about what we are doing. So, last 4 or 5 years, food delivery has risen rapidly, but it's not yet treated like e-commerce. E-commerce has a lot of analytics. There are a lot of algorithms that go behind e-commerce growth, but food delivery is not yet treated in those lines. What we are trying to do is understand that what goes behind generating organic order growth and helping the existing restaurants, cloud kitchens to generate incremental orders over and above what they are actually doing right now by giving them our brand as a license so that we know how to leverage the algorithm and drive organic growth for them, how to manage the catalogs, manage the funnels, so the restaurants don't need to worry about it. At the same time, we also provide them ready to assemble material so they don't have to depend on their manpower, and we can serve consistent quality of food. So essentially, we solve the problem of not being able to make their food delivery profitable.
Okay. So you provide cloud kitchen brands built to drive revenue and increase kitchen profits by adding a plug-and-play food delivery concept within existing startups. So Karan, tell us, by how much have you been able to help clients maximize incremental sales and drive better margins?
Well, on an average, I would say that they can make profits of anywhere around 50,000 to 70,000 a month additionally. It can range from 30,000 to even 1.5 lakhs. Again, depends on the operator, depends on the region and the demand supply gap, etc. And how efficiently you can manage the metrics. You need to have a great kitchen preparation time. You need to make sure that nothing is out of stock. And there are a whole lot of KPIs that go behind it. So on an average, a restaurant can make 50 to 70,000 additional incremental.
All right. Let's talk about the fresh funds raised. I believe you plan to use them to scale business operations and foray into retail stores of your hero brands and new celebrity brands. Elaborate on this approach and the kind of impact you hope to make.
Exactly. I would again draw a comparison with the e-commerce. We have seen digital first brands come on streets and which has helped them to gain better visibility, which has helped them to gain more branding bandwidth, and it helps them in sales and driving bottom line. So we have identified what are the brands that work for us, and we want to get them on streets so customers can walk into those stores, enjoy the food. They've heard about the brands on third-party aggregators, but now they can experience the brand, and it further helps us to penetrate within every hyper-local region. This is also a good business, good business strategy in a way that we are already doing some kind of sale in a hyper-local area on food delivery. And if we put capital on the retail outlet, we know that that capital is going to yield faster returns because it already has a market. So we are going to do that, and in true sense, we are aiming to become Yum Brands of India, F&B company which has 3, 4, 5 brands, each having 50 to 100 stores in next 5 to 6 years. Celebrity brands again. Everyone knows how competitive food market is. To increase the top of the funnel, to increase the visibility, a celebrity brand can help us. But we are normalized with all the other brands. The moment customer steps in, then we need to have food which is value for money for them and which is tasty, and that is what will count. So you can pick us to launch 2, 3 celebrity brands. We are in works of signing all of them, and those are very exciting brands. And we will start opening our foray into retail by June of this year.
Okay, we'll surely keep a track of that. And while you grow your company-owned and operated footprint and launch celebrity brands and foray into retail stores, Karan, you're also aiming to achieve annualized revenue of 200 crore rupees in the next 2 years. First, what makes you bullish on that? And second, I believe Ghost Kitchen plans to be profitable in the next 12 to 15 months. Are you on track?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I'll answer the second question first. We are at a very marginal investment per year. We are at a negative EBITDA of less than 10% to our revenue. So, now we are already profitable at operational level. It's just the corporate overheads which are designed to cater to a much larger revenue and a much larger business. And with economies of scale, we will be able to cover those costs and be profitable. We have increased 30 to 40% in last 3 years after COVID, and with our retail foray and celebrity brands, we hope to continue growing at that rate. And
Okay.
in 2 to 3 years, we should be at the annualized run rate of 200 crores. However, we plan to be profitable in next 12 to 18 months.
Okay. Vaibhav, wish you the very best for that. Many thanks for joining us on Startup Street today.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you.
Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Startup Street.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.